Hello there everyone. Welcome back to my channel. You are watching Habib Fragrances. My name's Habib and this is a channel where we review, criticize, analyze, and sometimes occasionally unbox fragrances as well. I tell you which are the fragrances you need to get, which are the ones you can stay clear of. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button. It really helps me out, shows your support and love for fragrances, makes me want to continue doing what I do. In today's video, we're not going to be reviewing or discussing this piece of box right here. We're going to be only looking at it or give you a little bit of information about what it is, and it's an entire experience on its own. This box right here is called Arabian Oud's Brown Collection. Now, Arabian Oud, if you're not familiar with it, is a very high-end Middle Eastern fragrance house, and they make some phenomenal fragrances. They make some amazing fragrances. Not just that, they actually put so much effort, thought, time, and mind, and obviously resources into the packaging and unboxing experience as well. I've done a total of 3 unboxing videos, including this one, and all 3 of them have been Arabian Ouds because I just have to share that entire experience of how it looks, how it is presented with you folks. Now that's enough talking about it. Let's get straight into it. Now, before we dive into this package and do the whole unboxing experience, I want to let you know that this is not a PR package. I have not been sent this out. This is a brown collection offered by Arabian Oud, which you can pick up as well. It's available at any one of their retail stores. You can probably order it online as well. So you will get the exact same experience, exact same package. Now, let's get straight into it. It comes in this beautiful bag, which has this very nice quality feeling material on the outside. Now it is flexible, but it's pretty sturdy enough to hold the package. On the side, it's got this beautiful engraved printing on the bag, the gift bag that it comes in, Arabian Oud logo right here, and it just looks beautiful. Let's flip it around and see how it is on the other side. Exact same experience. Handles to hold the packaging, and inside it we have the box. Now the actual box from the top looks very beautiful. Arabian Oud logos on the buckles. It's like a briefcase, and right here on the bottom half of the box we have that same printing, that same design that is on the gift bag engraved on the box, and the Arabian Oud logo right here in the center. Let's pull this out. This is the gift bag from the inside, and now let's pull the box out. When we pull the box out, as you can see, the actual box and the gift bag have the exact same color, exact same feeling material. This is a flexible hard bag type material, whereas this is actually a wooden box that has the same printing on top of it. Let's pull it out, and as we pull it out, you can see this is the box. Same design, same logo as was present on the gift bag as well. Look at that. Okay, let's put the gift bag aside and get into this. Now, it looks like a briefcase. It's got the briefcase buckles, very beautiful golden buckles right here. Arabian Oud logo on them. Side of the box continues the same way with the same design and pattern. This side as well. And let's see how it is in the back. Not continuing on the back, but it does have this beautiful texture-like material that you can see right here. Texture-like feel. Feels fantastic. Take a look at that. Let's give you a quick look of the top as well. All right, let's get into it now. Open up these buckles like this. Voila. Wow, that is beautiful. Now, on the back right here, we have this soft fabric material. It's very soft to the touch. Arabian Oud's logo down here. And inside, we have a bunch of stuff. Let me explain to you what this is. This is fragrance number 1. Says the one right here. Fragrance number 2. Fragrance number 3. Look at that beautiful bottle. Got the Arabian Oud logo right there. It says Arabian Oud over here. Arabian Oud logo on the top. And just beautiful. Then coating, production date, possibly 3cc written on the bottom, 3 milliliters. Similar thing with this one. Now, essentially, these two are fragrance sprays. They have different scents. I believe these are 100 milliliter bottles. You got the batch code, made in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia on the bottom, production date and time. Look at that beautiful design. Arabian Oud logo, that same pattern, same design. Arabian Oud logo on the top. Look at that atomizer. And so these two are different fragrance sprays, and these two are oil concentrations. Now we are going to get into what these all smell like and what it's all about in a different video. This, now you want to see what it is. This right here is agarwood or oud wood. If anybody does not know, let's open it up. Now this wood is supposed to go in this. You might be wondering, what is this? This is an incense burner. Look at that. Beautiful glass stand for the incense burner. And what you do is you take out this cup right here. Beautiful cup. This goes right here above the burning material. And you put this in here. Your burner coal in there. You put this on top of the coal. And then the wood goes on this. And it creates beautiful fumes of agarwood. Fantastic. And when you're done using it, you can clear out the ashes and cover it up, and it just looks beautiful as a decoration display piece on its own as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, share this with your friends and family if this is what you want to be gifted by them. And always remember, if you smell good, you look good.